Here is a short visual refresher showing the key steps to remember when working on a Capacitive Balancing Unit, or CBU, on a RefCal network. Step 1. Prior to any operation. First perform a Safe to Approach test and confirm the location and labelling. Once your work site is safely set up, open the cabinet and contact the System Control Centre. When switching a 3-phase unit, you need to request remote operation of the contactor. Step 2. Isolation of the unit. Open the LV fuses and then open the main ISL1 isolator. As per standard operating procedures, isolate the HV and apply earths and bonder. If you need to access the HV overhead line only, there is no need to isolate the CBU. Wait 5 minutes to discharge before applying the earths. Step 3. What's in the unit? In a 3-phase unit, you will find the capacitor cans at the top, with coloured wiring indicating each phase. Underneath each bank of capacitor cans will be their corresponding step switches. At the bottom of the 3-phase box, from left to right, you will find the contactor, then the main ISL1 isolator, then the Q1 isolator, and finally the Q5 battery DC isolator. Step 4. Re-energising. Once work on the unit is complete and it's ready to be re-energised, you can remove all earths and bonder and call the system controller for approval to proceed. Restore the HV isolators as per standard operating procedures. Confirm the contactor is still in the open position. Then close the main ISL1 isolator and replace the LV fuses. Now move back from the cabinet and contact the system controller to close the contactor remotely. Visually confirm the contactor has closed and lock the cabinet before packing up. For a single-phase unit, carrying out the isolations will be similar to the 3-phase process we have just discussed. However, there is no contactor, so you don't need to request for it to be opened. Simply carry out your isolations once approval is given. In the single-phase unit, you will find the capacitor cans at the top, just above the main supply isolator and the isolator for the battery charger. By remembering and following these key steps, you can stay safe when working on a capacitive balance unit.